Hello everyone. Just wanted to share how I clean the inside of the lens of a CDM1MKII laser mechanism. Basically, you first take off this cap here, and you can do that by just taking a pair of tweezers and just pulling out and up real gently. And then you have this little torx screw that's in the top of this. You want to take that out, and then you want to lift this up. It's connected by, you just kind of pull it up and prop it up. It's got a little ribbon connector right there, and just kind of hold it up with something, and then carefully clean the laser. This is up under, sorry, my camera lens is not focusing. Yeah, just carefully clean it with purified or distilled water is the best. I wouldn't use alcohol on any lens. I guess technically you could use it on glass lenses, but you never know which ones are actually plastic, so it's better just to use water. You want to dry it off with the other end, and then it's going to be hard to do this with one hand, so I'm going to have to put the camera down. Hopefully you guys can see it, but basically I'm going to clean the under. Okay. Not sure if you